How to find the cheapest place to buy petrol in your local area in Australia. We all know that petrol prices in Australia are getting more and more expensive every day. I'm going to show you how to find the cheapest petrol locally to you. Okay, straight into it. First, you'll need to go to the Play Store and download the app called Petrol Spy. Once downloaded, open up the app. It will ask you to allow Petrol Spy to access the device's location. You can either deny, only this time, or while using the app. There's a few ads with this app. If you deny the location, you can actually go in to the top and put in your own location wherever you want to search for petrol. I'm going to click on Melbourne. And this way you can see on the map all of the places that sell petrol, and it highlights in red the cheapest place within that search area. You can zoom out, you can move the map around to find the cheapest place based on your location. Alternatively, if you press the buttons on the right hand side, it will give you a list which you can sort by distance from you, the price per litre, or kilometres plus the price per litre. You can also change the petrol to whatever petrol is your preferred, whether it's E10, diesel, or something else. This is a great app, and I found it saved me a lot of money. And that's all it takes to find the cheapest petrol local to you. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment. Thanks for watching.